Morning. Welcome to Summer Explorations 2020. Once again, I am Mrs. Hall and I will be your teacher this summer. I'm going to start off by just telling you a couple quick little things. You're going to get 2 assignments each day. You will get 1 reading assignment, and I'll also have your science on that one for the week. And then you will get a second assignment later in the day for math. So you will have one PowerPoint that's got your reading assignments. It'll have your read aloud and the work you need to do. And then you will get a math one later on with a video of me showing you how to do the math. And then it'll also have the sheets that you should be working on that day. So 2 assignments per day. I'm going to put them in to Google Classroom so that you can just type on the document in Google Classroom. Or if you want to work on the actual packet that you got in the mail, that's fine too. I just need to know one way or another. So you can comment on Google Classroom and say, Miss Hall, I did the worksheets in my packet, or you can actually work on them on Google Classroom and then I'll see that you did it on there also. You can also email me or you can text me and tell me what you did for the day. But I need to hear from you every single day, okay? So, we are going to start with our story called Gran's Trips. You have this story in your packet. I also put it in your PowerPoint for reading today. I'm going to read it with you guys. You can follow along on your paper, and then I will talk about the questions that you're going to answer at the end, okay? So, it says, Gran's Trips. When will Gran get here? Josh asks. Jen shrugs. Just then, Josh and Jen see a cab on the street. Gran is here, Jen yells. When Gran steps from the cab, Josh and Jen run up to get a hug. And here's your picture. Okay. Was the trip fun? Josh asks. Which one? Gran asks. I went on 3 trips. Where to? Asks Josh. One was to the Swiss Alps, says Gran. In the Alps, there were steep cliffs. I went up to the top of one cliff, but it was slick. I fell and had to cling onto the rocks. No, says Jen. Yes, says Gran. Here is a snapshot. A snapshot is a picture that somebody takes like with a camera. There we go. Now you can see it better. Okay. What was the next trip? Josh asks. I went to Hong Kong, says Gran. What is in Hong Kong? Lots of stuff, says Gran. In Hong Kong, I met a man who sings and has wings on his back. No, says Josh. Yes, says Gran. Here is a snapshot. Let's see that. Oh, it took me to a different story. Hang on, sorry. There we go. Snapshot. Okay. What was the last trip? Asked Jen. I went to the Gulf to swim with the eels and feed the fish, says Gran. No, says Jen. Yes, says Gran. Here is a snapshot. Which trip was the best? Josh asks. This one, Gran says. The one where I get to see Josh and Jen. So there's her snapshot of swimming with the eels and the fish. And that is the end of that story. So now you have some pages you're going to do. You have one that has short E at the top, and it's got 3, not really words, or no, there's 4, sorry. So you've got EE and B and seen and feet. And you're going to practice, if you can see that. It's not getting very easy. Anyway, that page you will practice writing neatly. And then the next page, you've got 6 words at the top. And then you've got pictures, and you are going to match the words at the top with the pictures and write them. And then you have 4 questions about Gran's trip. So, where did Gran meet a man with wings on his back? Where was that at? You might have to go back in the story and find it. What trip was that on? What did Gran do at the Gulf? So, go back to the story and look and see where Gran or what Gran did at the Gulf. And then, which trip was Gran's best trip? Which one of her trips did she like the best? And then Gran gets to Josh and Jen. Does she get to them on a shop, in a cab, or in a truck? Okay? That is your work for today for reading. Okay? I will see you in a little bit with your math video for the day. And don't forget, you also have your science assignment on your reading PowerPoint today. And you have all week to do the science. You don't need to have that one done today. The only things that will have to be done today are the reading assignment for Gran's trips, and then the math assignment that I post later. It's lesson 1 for math that you will get. And that is it. We will also have Zoom meetings on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and I will post how to get to those Zoom meetings. If you were in my class this last year, it's the exact same way. If you are new to me and to my class this summer, I will post information on how to get to our Zoom meetings. Once again, our Zoom meetings will be on Tuesday and Thursday at 12:30 p.m. And I will remind you in the PowerPoints for that day that when we have Zoom meetings, okay? So, good luck. Please email me, text me, comment on Google Classroom with any questions that you have, and I will talk to you later. Bye.